Hey guys, Dr. Adams here. Today I would like to familiarize you with the interface of NVivo. Understanding the interface of NVivo is vitally important. Sometimes, as a new researcher, you have no idea what you're looking at. And even most experienced researchers, if you haven't opened up NVivo in a while, some things change with different versions. But the common interface usually does not change, and you need to understand your workspace in order to successfully navigate through your own personal project. As always, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. If you look to the top of NVivo, this is called your ribbon. It may look familiar to you if you have used NVivo before, but for novice researchers, you definitely need to know and explore the different components of the ribbon. I go into the different components of the ribbon in future videos, but all you need to know for now is that this is your ribbon. To the left-hand side of NVivo, this section here, as I scroll up and down, this is your navigation view. And as the name implies, this is where you go to navigate the different items and queries of your project as you create them. If you go to this section of your workspace, this is called your list view. Now, as you can see, a common hint to list view, if you forget the name of this view, is all of your project data is in a list. So listed in no specific particular order for this project, but you can switch from alphabetical order or file format. And as you can see here, once I clicked on name, NVivo sorted this not by file type, but in alphabetical order, which is very important for some instances. The next view I want to talk about is detailed view. So notice if you open up on Barbara's transcript, another window pops open, which is called your detailed view. And a common way to remember that this view is called detailed view is if you notice in list view, you can't really tell what's inside of Barbara's transcript. But when you double click on it, you can actually see in detail, hence detailed view, what is going on inside of the actual item for your project, and you can scroll up and down. Now, if you look below, the last, not necessarily view, but the last thing that's pretty important while you're working on a project is your status bar. Now, as you can see, we have 14 items or 14 interviews, whether they be the audio recording of an interview or a video recording of the actual transcripts. You can see what's going on inside of detailed view just looking at this status bar. You will also see that my initials are in the bottom left-hand corner, and this is important if you are working to code inside of a project with teams and you export and import different NVivo projects. It is very helpful to know the individuals or researchers' initials so you can kind of make sense of what's going on in the data. It's been fun giving you this tutorial, and I hope that you tune in to more and you have a good one.